Vanakkam, welcome to Porvalan channel. Now we'll see program to subtract two numbers, hexadecimal numbers. I have posted in my previous video how to add two hexadecimal numbers which can generate carry also. So we have decided how to write a program in various methods in different addressing modes also in the previous videos. If you have any doubts, clarifications, you can just please go through my previous videos. And now we will just only one small change should be there between addition and subtraction program, nothing much, but I just wanted to show you how this carry and borrow are taken in 8086 microprocessor programming, that is assembly language programming. And now say let us assume two hexadecimal numbers. So how to subtract two hexadecimal numbers I have posted in my video, the third video which I have posted. There you can just see how to subtract two numbers, and I have detailedly explained in that. I suggest you to go through that video. Now I am just randomly choosing a number which actually generates borrow. We don't have a carry or borrow flag separately. We have only one flag registered in 8086, that is carry flag, which is common for both carry as well as borrow. So now I'm just choosing a number, say it is 5 6 A2. Another number I'm just choosing as 6 7 B maybe 1. Okay, the subtraction, these two are hexadecimal numbers. Now 2 minus 1 is 1, then 10 minus b, it's 10 minus 11, it's not possible, so we need to borrow one number. If you just borrow one number, it is 16, it's not 10, it is 16. 16 plus 10 is 26. 26 minus 11, it is actually 15. Okay, so it is F. So since here see, I just make you clear again. A is 10. If you borrow one number, that becomes 16, because we are converting this into decimal, because we are convenient with the decimal. So 10 plus 16 is 26. 26 B is 11. So 26 minus 11 is 15. 15 is F in hexadecimal, that's why I wrote. And now this becomes 5 because we borrowed one number. So 5 minus 7 is not possible. You borrow one number, that becomes 16 again, right? So 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 minus 7, yes, so 21 minus 7, actually it is 14. 14 is E, right? So 14 is E. So now this becomes how much? 4, because we borrowed one number. This becomes 4. 4 minus 6 is not possible. Now what will happen is, if you are actually using a microprocessor trainer kit or any assembler also to do this assembly language programming, this will be subtracted by the processor. So it will borrow one number, that number becomes 16 now. So 16 plus 4 is 20. Yeah, 20 minus 6 is again 14. This would be the answer, but this borrow is indicated as carry, right? So this actually indicated as carry. We need to make this indicated carry in carry flag 1 bit. We need to make it as 16 bit number. So, and which means this does not have any value. We need to add these. If you just add these two numbers, and you should get this number, and if you get carry, that will be discarded. That's the thing. Now, so this, by adding previous 3 zeros, we actually make it as 16-bit number. So this carry indicates you actually subtracted a bigger number from a smaller number. So that is the meaning. So for this case, the same program whatever we've discussed in the previous one, but the borrow flag is not generated. So again we have only one flag, I said. So again we'll be checking carry only, we don't have a borrow. That's why I'm writing it again. So just check my previous video. We have chosen the input and output locations decided. So I'm just choosing the same one to cut short this. So we are initializing. I told you the reason already in my previous video. So CX000, it's again we are initializing. I am using the direct addressing mode. Okay, now say AX, say 5000, the first value. Again we are directly subtract. Now we need to subtract this number. Okay, so if there are any previous carry, then we need to use SBB. Previous borrow. So if you are adding subtracting consecutively, in that case the previous borrow also should be considered. Then in that case we will be using SBB. But here we are not choosing that kind of examples. So SB, subtract the same thing, AX 5002, and then now jump on no carry. There is no borrow. What you need to do? This thing we need to subtract, right? So store, move 5100 to AX, subtracted value. So this is the result stored in AX, this value, right? So next, if borrow is set CX, we need to check whether the borrow is set or not. That's why we are incrementing CX, right? So here move 5102 CX halt. So this is how it is. I have already explained you how, why can't we use JC. If we use JC, then what is the logic we need to make? That I have explained in my previous video. Please go through that. Hope you have understood well. Thank you.